Hey guys, so this is the second in the series of videos of algebra skills, and this is going to be multiplying and simplifying square roots. So if you'll see, we just added one step to the previous one. So if I go 2 square root of 15 times 3 on the square root of 12, right? So the first step is to combine them. So we're going to combine them. We're going to do factor tree. We're going to do pairs. We're going to separate. We're going to simplify. But if we combine, that means we're going to combine the coefficients, 2 and 3. And we're going to combine the radicands, 15 and 12. Now I could multiply them together, but the question is why? Why would I multiply them together when I know I'm going to have to break them apart right afterwards? So now I'm going to do my square roots. My factor trees, 5 and 3, 6 and 2, and then this is 3 and 2. And so again, just like before, we bring them all down. And so this is now 2 times 3 is 6 on the square root of 5, 3, 3, 2, and 2. And all of that's multiplication. So now we identify our pairs, and our pairs are 3 and 3 and 2 and 2. They just happen to be together this time. So this becomes 6, the square root of 5 on the square root of 9 and the square root of 4. Well, the square root of 9 is 3, the square root of 4 is 2, and the square root of 5 we don't know. So it's 6 times 3 times 2, which is 6 times 3 is 18, times 2 is 36 root 5, and that is our simplified root, 36 root 5.